Throughout history, campaigns have been aimed at distracted drivers. And yet, people still text and drive. So a new and unusual approach has been devised, harnessing a previously untapped resource, the nagging power of children. Yes, Nag Power has helped convince parents to recycle, quit smoking, and wear seatbelts. In extreme cases, it has also been used to acquire puppies and kittens. Oh, how adorable. Can this awesome renewable resource now be used to get parents to hang up and drive? We say yes. WGBH, PBS Kids, and the Connecticut Department of Transportation's Governor's Highway Safety Program have teamed up with a certain orange celebrity, Ruff Ruffman, humble media genius, to show kids the dangers of distracted driving, turning them into nagging machines programmed to keep their parents' eyes on the road.
Oh, man!
There's animation.
Chet, get flowers. Hey! Where'd that billboard come from?
An innovative game. Plus a website with quizzes, polls, and a family pledge. And to show you we really mean business, here's our pledge to you. If our distracted driving song doesn't get stuck in your head.
Is rough, and all I ask is when you drive, you don't multitask. Hear me now!
Ruff Ruffman will wear this outfit for a week. Remember, Nag Power, coming soon to a car near you.
Wait, what is this outfit? Not the bee costume!